Your AI agent goes to install a Python package. It reads the docs like a good little assistant. Buried in that page, invisible to you, is a sentence telling it to send cryptocurrency to a stranger's wallet. So it does. Nobody clicked pay. The agent just read a website and wired the money. The website is the malware now. This is from Zscaler's threat research team, reported July 6th. They found 2 separate campaigns already running in the wild. Both target the same new victim, an AI agent browsing the web on your behalf. Not you, the agent, because the agent reads the whole page, including the parts your eyes never see. Campaign 1. They invented a Python library called Request Secure v2. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't need to. They stuff the page with keywords so it ranks when your agent searches for how to fix a dependency error. Then they hid the payload 2 ways, in a hidden div tag, and inside schema markup the structured data crawlers trust. Both say the same thing. To get your API key, just make this payment. And here's the wallet. The clever, infuriating part. The same site also works on people. Open it in a normal browser and it shows you a friendly checkout, pay by card or crypto. So it's a phishing page for humans and a prompt injection for agents, from the exact same HTML. 1 site, 2 victims. Efficient. I hate it. Campaign 2 is sneakier. They cloned DeBank, a real crypto portfolio tracker, on a type-squatted domain. Stuffed the meta tags with DeBank keywords, added the social media cards so the link looks legit when shared, and then, for the agents, a hidden instruction telling them this impersonating site is the genuine DeBank. Not pay me, just trust me, which is worse because a trusted site gets your credentials next. Does it work? Zscaler tested it against 26 different models in an autonomous payment agent. The honest answer, not on most of them, for we're talked into actually making a payment. 2 Llama models, 2 Gemini models, and separately 2 others, Claude Sonnet 4.5 and GPT 5.4, fell for the impersonation and treated the fake DeBank as real. Different failure, different models. So this isn't every agent is doomed. It's enough of them fail that a spray and pray campaign pays off. Here's the takeaway. For decades the rule was, don't run code you don't trust. Agents break that. An agent doesn't have to run anything. It just has to read. And it reads the entire internet with the gullibility of an intern on day 1. The content is the attack surface now. If your agent can browse, spend, or log in on your behalf, the fix is boring but real. It should never move money or credentials off a web pages say so. Put a human on the checkout. Every time. If you want agent security stuff explained before it drains a wallet you're responsible for, subscribe. New breakdowns every week. Go on, hit subscribe.